Greetings to everyone from Autopedia Believes. This is an all-electric sports electric vehicle concept from Honda. The sports electric vehicle, which was first unveiled at the 45th Tokyo Motor Show, features an old-school sports car design with modern technology. The sports EV gets a low and wide stance that lends it an aggressive look. The car features two black panels at the front and rear that also incorporate the headlamps and tail lamps. This black panel is actually a screen that can display to other drivers or show the charge status. This is Neo EV concept. Just take a look. The front black panel looking futuristic, very beautiful. The three concepts get the Honda automated network assistant that is capable of monitoring the driver's emotional well-being and make new choices and recommendations. It can even recommend music based on the mood among various other functions. Honda has not revealed the powertrain details of the sports EV. However, the car maker has said that it is powered by a highly responsive electric powertrain which is placed lower in the body to obtain a low center of gravity. At the other hand, this is Neo electric vehicle concept from Honda. Moving to another futuristic technology, and that is the most advanced emission control, Honda Clarity fuel cell. ये गाड़ी के सेल पर चलती है जिसमें कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को चार्ज किया जाता है हाइड्रोजन के सेल से, और वेरी डिफरेंट फ्यूचरिस्टिक लुक्स दिस कार हैज. रनिंग बोर्ड देख सकते हैं मिसिंग है, एंड देयर इज अ डिफरेंट सेपरेट डिजाइन फॉर द फेंडर एज वेल. हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन के फ्यूल सेल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, और साथ ही साथ whereas the fuel cell voltage converter unit converts it and stores it in lithium-ion battery pack. The drive motor generates a maximum power of 130 kilowatt along with 300 Nm torque, which enable providing more power to the driver when required. Underpinning the high strength bespoke chassis and प्रोपोर्शंस की बात करें, 4915 की लेंथ आएगी, 1480 mm का हाइट है, 1875 mm की विड्थ है इस गाड़ी की. ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस अभी सस्पेक्टेड है. साथ ही साथ इट गेट्स 2 हाइड्रोजन स्टोरेज टैंक इंक्लूडिंग 117 लीटर का. मेन टैंक जो आता है 24 लीटर का आता है. सो थैंक्स अ लॉट फ्रॉम ऑटोपीडिया बिलीव्स. होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. द फ्यूचरिस्टिक टेक्नोलॉजी Honda is produced for the future. So thanks a lot from Autopedia Believes. Please subscribe the Autopedia Believes channel for more information for the future technologies. Thank you.